When we look at a child, we see the future looking back to us. So we strengthen the future now. Let us see the journey to quality and excellence that has nourished generations for more than 150 years. It all started in 1867 through a visionary man with passion for science, Henry Nestle. Within the journey, since 1961 until today, NAN brand has been a story of its relentless pursuit for constant scientific innovations inspired by the perfection of nature. As part of the Nestle's continuous effort to better mimic breast milk's health advantages for non-breastfed infants, OptiPro was introduced to the world in 2015. Inspired by breast milk, Nestle invented an exclusive patented process that transforms low-quality cow's milk protein into high-quality whey protein. This results in a unique high-quality and optimum quantity protein blend named as OptiPro. Let us now proceed on how we remain dedicated to ensure quality of NAN OptiPro for shaping the future of non-breastfed babies. Today, you're welcomed in one of the best-in-class NAN manufacturing factories situated at the Cabuyao city in Philippines. This 25.3 hectares of facility is maintained by a team of 870 professionals. The factory started its operations in 1976 and started producing the NAN range since 2009. The NAN OptiPro production process begins with high-quality selected cow's milk being collected from the farms and delivered through specialized tankers to the factory. We ensure high-quality natural ingredients being sourced by world's leading suppliers. All ingredients are checked and released by quality assurance to ensure regulatory compliance and elimination of any contamination of microbial growth prior to use. The key feature of NAN OptiPro production technology is the cGMP removal process. The milk is then sent through a coagulator where it is treated with an enzyme which breaks down the casein micelles, releasing into the whey a specific protein fraction called cGMP, which is rich in insulinogenic amino acids. The whey then goes through a cation exchange column where the cations such as sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are removed. This half demineralized whey is then sent to the modified whey reactor, where anions such as chlorides, phosphates, citrates, and selectively the cGMP are removed, resulting in a demineralized whey protein completely free of cGMP. This selective removal of cGMP results in a unique whey protein with a low content of the critical insulinogenic amino acids, which is the key to the amino acid profile of NAN OptiPro, closer to that of breast milk. Moreover, LC-PUFA, including DHA, ARA, probiotic bifidus BL, and many vitamins and minerals are also added in step-by-step process. Then comes to filling and packing. Oxygen is expelled using nitrogen gas, ensuring zero contact with atmosphere pressure and then sealed. Thus, we ensure the product is safe for consumption. Finished products are analyzed in various sensory parameters like texture, lump, odor, dust, back consistency, mixability, etc. inside the sensory lab. This is how we ensure each pack of NAN OptiPro may provide the optimal balance of nutrients to non-breastfed infants for their strong foundation of life. Nestle Bangladesh Limited imports and markets the scientifically advanced formula NAN OptiPro 1, 2, 3 and 4 from the state-of-the-art Cabuyao factory and catering the optimal needs of non-breastfed babies from birth till 5 years of age. With more than 150 years of relentless efforts, Nestle has reached where it is today. Nestlé always looks for providing the optimal source of nutrition through embracing new science and technologies. Thus, we made and delivered the advanced formula, NAN OptiPro. Come, let's together guide the long-term health. Let's shape the tomorrow today.